to my YouTube channel. I'm Anne-Catherine and I make videos on painting, home decor and DIY here on YouTube. In this episode we're continuing to make over the apartment. So let's get right to it. Painted all this black, and to be honest, I am very positively surprised with the results. It really changes the whole look of the thing. Gives a little bit of contrast. Just see what it's like when the door is closed. Yeah, unfortunately there's sun damage on the door, but looks so good. Yeah, I've got some of the masking tape on the side. Yeah, I like to reuse it. So see here, I used it for the white bit first and then for the black. I like to use both sides of it because I think it's just wasteful to just throw it away all the time. It's not expensive, but why produce more plastic waste if we can avoid it? And it's worked so far. I'm happy with the results. Okay, we're gonna paint part of the bathroom. So the top is grey. I think we're gonna leave it. Oh, that needs clean, it's terrible. Okay, so obviously this is behind the mirror, so we're not gonna see it, but I'm still gonna paint it, especially because there's this weird blotch here we're going to try and conceal. I've already started painting this wall. It was very, very dirty. It was behind the washer dryer. And then obviously we have this. This is the biggest wall. I'm trying to focus, and it goes all across the bathroom. And it is very dirty, especially behind this radiator, but everywhere really. Little scuffs everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna paint that, and I've actually aligned the wall to be painted up to there, so it lines up with the tile on this side and with this huge beam on this side. So yeah. brought these back home. So this is the towel rack and this is the toilet paper holder from the bathroom. I really don't like the red. It doesn't match anything in the apartment. So I'm going to spray paint it and see what it looks like in black. First coat done. We'll let it dry and then turn it over and paint the other side. So it's come out really nicely in black, and I'm just going to reattach it. Would you look at that? So I'm glad I could keep it because actually these are quite good quality. I know these were used in schools in the 90s. So they are good quality, especially it still looks absolutely brand new. But I do prefer the black color. Yeah, look, it even closes with a little magnet right here. Yeah, spray painting, but it closes with a little magnet. For the tile rack, first we put this little thingy on, and then I need to attach these two in the middle with this little guy. So let's see how that works. And then this tiny little screw. Okay, so working well. It's looking so nice in this black. It's this matte black color and I really like it. It just looks so much higher end than the red. Ooh. Ooh. Have to see why it's wobbly. But look at that. So I also got this little toilet brush holder. Just gonna peel this off, place it in the corner. And one thing I am gonna change is this toilet seat. So as you can tell, yeah, we have got some penguins and also on the inside. And yeah, I suppose if you like it, there's no problem with that. But I don't think it's very appropriate for a rental unit. So I'm just gonna unfasten this. Yay, okay. There we go. Ooh, yucky. So yeah, we have got some nastiness back there. That was probably never cleaned. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that first and then put on the new one. So I've already put some product on there and I'm gonna use toilet paper to clean this because I want to be able to throw it away after. If I use one of my cleaning cloths, I don't want to have other people's yuck on my nice cleaning cloths. So, this is nasty stuff. I don't even want to know what that was. Like crusty urine or something. And now I'm going to attach my brand new toilet seat. So I hope it's not too hard to attach. Okay, so here's the pieces. guys. It's one of these quick release ones that can be easily removed to clean and then put back on. We need the screw things first. So first I insert these guys. And then I use my screwdriver to remove the screws from those plugs. There's one. There's the other. Okay. So next, I put them through here and in there. That attaches these guys. Next I'm going to use these as a guide to know exactly how far away to place them. So that looks about right. Needs to be symmetrical. There. And then all we do is just tighten this. Okay. And then we can just make sure these are super duper tight. We have little stainless steel covers for them. And bottom, we can just attach this again. Ta-da! And that's where we're going to leave it for today. If you haven't watched any of the previous videos, I'm going to leave the links in the description below so you can click on those and watch them too. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you like the series and want to watch more. And yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!